In this part, we want to explain the structure of the workshop. The workshop is organized in 3 levels: sessions, teams, and documents. And any participant can start by any team or any document or any session, or it can follow the structure, the complete structure of the workshop. There is the same output. Sometimes people prefer to go and to understand one team or one document. In other cases, people prefer to go through the system or parts of the program. And the workshop is organized in such a way that is 2 approaches can be done. In detail, we have 4 sessions, and each session includes several different teams. Session 1 can include 4 or 5 teams or more, and each of the sessions have this situation. The teams, they have different documents. It means in each team we look to some of the documents, the main important documents or the main important tools, and several of them will be selected for each team. Finally, we look to the documents or tools. We go deep in the documents or in the tools which consolidate the understanding, the study of the team. And the team and the different teams are organized in, as I said, in 4 sessions. Then this is a very simple structure which allow to study one tool or one document or one full team or a session or a complete workshop. And this is how these sessions are organized. As referred, the workshop is organized in 4 sessions. The first session is focused on leadership and vision. We try to provide a number of documents, a number of frameworks, which give the possibility to create a vision. Each project needs to create its own vision and how it is positioned in the country, in the community. But it's very important these projects position in the world and in the big trends. Then the leadership is also developed based on this concept to look at the main reference documents on education, ICT, technology, and look at this as a raw material, as a resource to build a vision. The second session is focused on coordination and coherence. This is a multi-sector initiative. Education, ICT, finance, economy, social impact, many others. Then, coordination between the different management structures, even between different budgets. Align a communication strategy, a message. All the different components of coordination and coherence in the program, which involve many stakeholders, even external stakeholders like private sector, trade unions, teachers, organizations, whatever, need a very clear strategy. And the session 2 will be focused on this. The session 3 is partnership models. We know for coordination and coherence, we need to develop partnership models and understand the different types of partnership models: strategic, cooperation, public-private partnerships, and many other types. And then we think it's important to have one session dedicated only to the models we can use to develop the project. The last session, session 4, will be dedicated to program management and implementation. We develop a framework where we consider all the different implementation components, the different actions from finance to operation, and all of these will be like a way to operationalize the result of the what we discussed in the previous 3 sections and beyond that. And this is the structure of this workshop. Just a final note on this webcast. This webcast is part of an Accelerator workshop as a pillar of Sustainable EDU Policy Framework Architecture, a program to support the design and implementation of ICT education projects. Please feel free to visit the website of the program. The link is below in this slide, or contact us by email. It will be a pleasure and an honor to contact to get your feedback and even to establish a partnership to support any ICT education project. Thank you.